Crude oil and nat gas both traded strongly bullish yesterday, where we have seen gas moving all the way towards 4.2. And this I have been saying since long that once it stays beyond 3.8, chances are there that 4.2, 4.4 should be seen. While it is crude oil hitting the highs close to 75.8, 76. Yesterday, again in my update, I have mentioned very clearly staying beyond 74, 74.2, 75 should be the first, and 76 should be the next targets. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect? Can we say the highs are done in oil and gas? Can we expect a reversal here, or there is still lot much of bullishness left? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil followed with net gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the early charts after the drop here, it is trading under this retracement channel. See, it took lot many candles for it to achieve the highs here. Now it is trying to reverse. Very, very important for oil to now trade below. See, 72 is going to be a very strong support, and this is a far below level as well. If you look at the early charts, what has happened after the drop, it is consolidating here between 20 and 50 period moving average. So even if you see now oil trading below 73.4, when you see the higher prices below 73.4, take a sell for 73, 72.9 as the first target, and 72.4, 72.5 as the second, below which you can expect 72 levels directly. Below 72 is where ideally the bears are waiting, and then you can expect a greater correction there. In fact, this can take it all the way towards 71. Right now, too early to conclude with that. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped and now trying to bounce back, while the MACD is still suggestive of more bearishness ahead. When you see the RSI, this is almost staying flat. So mixed indications here. If you see the 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. After the drop, it is under retracement here. Very, very important for it to breach lower. And I'll say the zone here at 73, 72 is going to remain pretty critical for the day. A drop below this zone is a indication of more bearishness ahead. The moving averages are right now trading bullish, but when you see the stochastic, this is dropped, and the MACD is also crossed over here and trading with divergence and more bearishness here. Indication which confirms that there could be further downside in all prices. The RSI has dropped as well. Look at 3 hour chart. While on the 3 hour chart, the picture is slightly different. See the 20 period offering it a very, very good support. And this makes this zone as a pretty stronger support here. And that is why I say if you see it is staying below this zone here and staying below 73, you can say more bearishness should follow here. Right now it is consolidating here. And in fact, a move beyond 74.2, the next resistance should invite more bulls here, which can take it again towards 75. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is almost staying flat. On the 4 hour charts, when you similar observation here, see every rise offsets with a drop towards 20 period. Every rise offsets with a drop towards 20 period, and now 20 period offers it a very, very good support. And this also makes this zone till 73 as a greater support here, and thus 73, 72, this is going to be very, very critical, and you should watch out for how oil behaves in between 73, 72 zone, if at all it decides to trade lower today. If at all the oil prices trades lower and trades between 73 and 72, you should watch out how it behaves, because below 72 this should invite more bears, which could take it all the way towards 70. Moving average is sharply bullish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading bearish here, looking downwards. See, despite price is not showing any significant movement, the MACD has lowered significantly. RSI running flat. Coming to daily. Now, on the daily charts, look at the move here. Couple of sharp bearish moves. A bounce back here. 70 indeed. Very good support. 70, 69.7. And now it is consolidating. Now, see, this also indicates that potentially when it opens in the coming week, it might open on a strongly bullish note, breaking on the upside. But for this to happen, it where it closes today, that is to be something you should watch out for. A close above 75 will be a clear indication that we can expect the bulls to be there in the coming week. When you see the daily charts also, I've been sharing since long that it has formed double bottom at 75, the rise here consolidation, and now it has given a stronger breakout. Now also important to note, it has come towards the critical milestone here. So how it behaves in this zone on the upside 75, 76 is something you should watch out for, because staying above this in the near future, oil is heading towards 80 as well. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trading sharply bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is overbought. So looking at this, For the day, I will recommend you to sell here at 73.4, 73.2 zone. This is the first strongest support here. If at all oil decides to stay below 73.4, 73.2, expect 72.8, 72.6 as the first target zone, 72.2, 72 as the next. Once it trades below 72, once it trades below 72, chances will be very, very, very high that oil prices might head towards 71 and $70 zone, which should be the next strongest support here on the downside. While on the upside, you can buy here at 74, 74.2. Again, expect it to move towards 75, first target zone, 75.8, 76 at the next. And if that is taken, we are heading higher, 77.4, 78.6, and 80 should be there very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to net gas. And before we move to gas, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Do not miss to join it. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which can offer you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy your trading. Now, let's move to net gas. Net gas stayed bullish. See, this is what we had discussed, that it has formed a good support after rising here. It has taken the support from the 20 period. It is waited for the 20 period to climb up. And I have mentioned that once it stays above 4, we are looking forward to 4.2. What has happened? Prices have moved all the way now towards 4.18. It is possible that it may again wait for the 20 period to climb up, stay in the zone between 4.1 to 4.2. And if you see it is staying beyond 4.18, yes, you can initiate a buying entry here, because 4.18, if you're buying, we can expect 4.24 as the first target zone, 4.3 as the next. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bullish. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD, see, MACD is just consolidating here, trading range bound and now trying to cross over for sale. This is a slight bearish sign here. RSI staying overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone. This is again a slight bearish sign. So it is possible that gas prices might retrace a little. Look at the 2 hour charts. Every rise offsets with a consolidation or a retracement and a move towards 20 period. Now 20 period is sitting at 4.05 levels. Now 4.05, 4.04 is the level which should act as the next support. Only and only if you see net gas trading below 4.05, 4.04 levels, you can say now the bears are back. You can expect 3.98 as the next target. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is also seen trading at the highs. And it is not that it cannot rise further. This is net gas, it can do wonders. But yes, it is seen at a slightly elevated zone. RSI also staying overbought. When you see the 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation here, consolidation going on. Wait for it to trade lower. See also the current candle forming a double top, and thus it is pretty important for gas to trade beyond 4.18. If you see gas trading beyond 4.18, 4.2, you can expect the next target to be towards 4.24 and then 4.3 levels. Beyond 4.3, it's my favorite 4.4, which I am waiting for since long. It appears it is going to get difficult. Notice the rise here, consolidation, the rise here, it may consolidate here before taking a direction. Now 4.04, 4.05 is the base it needs to breach in order to turn bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is staying elevated, RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 4 hour charts, similar observation is here on the 4 hour charts. Consolidation going on here, higher lows here, higher highs here. Either it stays below 4.14 also, you can take a sell for 4.1, 4.07, 4.04. Only and only if it trades below 4.04. It should be treated bearish. Again and again, I am highlighting this fact such that you should keep a caution till those levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD at extremes here, RSI extremely overbought. Things are slightly overbought here for net gas, which calls for it to start showing a little pullback. But this is net gas again. It can do wonders. We have seen it is staying elevated. We have seen it is staying sharply oversold for months and weeks. And now it is starting to show an up move here, which is a good sign here for the bulls. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, clearly net gas is on the breakout here, and see, this was the zone which we were targeting. It has precisely moved closer towards this. Notice what has happened after the rise. It has retraced and consolidated. Here also I have mentioned, see this waves here, and once it breaches out, it is going to deliver extremely stronger move. Now see what it is aiming towards. It is aiming towards this zone. A move beyond 4.2, 4.4 is the only confirmation of a complete reversal in net gas here, which could confirm the move towards $5 levels in the coming month. Right now, it is consolidating, and I can see that it is trading slightly overbought, which calls for it to show a slight pullback. Remember, it may create another channel here where it would like to trade like this, and now on the downside 3.8, which was the resistance earlier, should act as a greater support. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising. Notice uh, the drop here, the rise, consolidation and breakout here. So this invite more bulls in the near future. RSI entering into overbought zone. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy here if you see it is staying beyond 4.18, 4.2 zone. When you see the lower prices above 4.18, 4.2, stay bullish for 4.24, 4.3. And if it trades beyond 4.3, I'll be looking forward to 4.37, 4.38 as the next target. While it is definitely getting overbought, and hence now the prices are getting fragile on the upside, it may start to show a little pullback. If not today, then very closest today, that is something you should watch out for. And the next week, possibly it may begin on the bearish note. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 4.14, 4.12 zone, below which you can expect 4.1 as the first target, 4.0504 as the next. Only and only if you see natural gas trading below 4.0504, we can say now the bears are back. You can look forward to 4, 3.97, 3.9293. If at all it decides to trade below 4 and 3.97, and if it moves below 3.92, remember coming week it should head towards 3.8 as well. Chances of which appears to be less today. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.